Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the try on with July BoxyLux, or BoxyCharm, not BoxyLux, I'm sorry. We are doing the try on for July BoxyCharm. So the only makeup things I got was this palette and this lip gloss. I did get some brushes. It came with a foundation brush, what they call a crease brush, and then a shaping brush, blending brush, whatever. Okay. Now, this particular palette does not have, what's the word I'm looking for? Good transition shades. So, I'm actually going to take my Anastasia bronzer in the shade Saddle, and I'm going to use that as my go-to transition shade. And I'm just going to pat it in. I'm going to go through and blend it in a second. I want to see how well that blending brush blends. So now we're going to go in with this brush. We're going to blend it. Okay, I like the way that looks now. I wanted to go in with a shade that I didn't want to use another palette. I wanted to try my hardest to use just this palette. So that is why I'm using a bronzer to do this. All right. I think we are now ready to go into the palette itself. Okay, so there's two mattes, which is this dark brown and this blue. I don't want to put blue on my lid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Farrah brush. This is a number 3. It's a mini tapered blending brush. I'm going to go into Temptress, which is that dark brown shade. And I'm going to pop that in my crease, but kind of low. Like basically touching my eyelid itself. And then I'm going to go back in with that nice blending brush we got and kind of blend it in. I think we are about done with our transition shades. I'm not mad at it. Okay. I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Diva right here. I'm gonna pack that. I'm gonna use this mirror. I don't like this mirror. I'm gonna pack that on my lid. So I didn't wet the brush or anything. It does have a nice, like, it does have good pigment, and I only dipped into it once and it went on both lids. So that is pleasantly surprising. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Queen. And I'm gonna put that on my lid, but closer, basically on the inner corner. I like that. It's not the worst thing in the world. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the crease brush. And I think I'm actually gonna go into the blue. And I'm gonna pop that on my lower lash line. Ooh, I'm so glad I have Bake on right now because there's some fallout with this blue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna really pack this color on. Right, I'm gonna pop on some eyeliner, dust off my Bake, and we will be back to finish my video. Okay, I'm back. So I did a tiny little baby wing. I set my face, I applied some highlighter, some blush, and some Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Now let's just finish up our face. I'll take that little detailed crease brush, go into the shade Enchantress. I'm gonna pop that on my inner corner here. Alrighty. All the brushes up. Now, last but not least, let's do some lipstick. I'm gonna go in with some Becca lipstick. This is the shade Sea Petal. Okay, it was perfect shade for a gloss because it's not too loud, but it's also not drying. Because I notice when I put gloss on top of liquid lips, unless it is the exact same brand, it doesn't always work in my favor. So this is the shade Venus from Luna by Luna. Okay, so it's not bad. Let's talk real quick. I am not a fan of this at all. Not even a little bit. Yeah, just not even a little bit. It's with the exception of the blue, but even with the blue, these are all shades I have. Not by the same brand, but I don't like the color story. It doesn't really make sense to me. The fact that there's only one daily usable matte, like, let's face it, are you gonna use a bright, like a aqua blue every day? No. And the fact that it's supposed to be like natural, I just don't see it. Maybe if they're pulling from shades from like nature itself, yeah, you got water, you got dirt, you got grass, you got sun, we'll say sunset, sunrise, and the moon. So, I mean, I can kind of see where their color story came from, but not really, because it's not one of those palettes where, like, yes, I will reach for that every day. BoxyCharm has done great with releasing palettes that I would reach for every day. That is not one of them. We just got a lip gloss last month. So I would have liked to see maybe an eyeliner or a highlight or a bronzer. I mean, I feel like with this being like the last official month of summer, they could have gone a lot further with this, especially with it like trying to accentuate your natural beauty. Very easily could have gone with like a bronzer or a pretty blush or something other than what they released. It's not awful. It's not something I would reach for every day. It's not something I'm gonna reach for every day. I'm actually gonna give this to a friend of mine who I know will reach for it a lot, but it's not worth it to me. And then on top of it, they say that it retails for $32. I personally would never spend $32 on that, but hey, to each their own. Okay, so that is this Friday's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and you hit the notification bell because guys, Monday is my birthday and I have a special video just for my birthday. And then we also have a video on Wednesday and we also have a video on Friday. And then we also have a video on Saturday. I'm talking like it is my birthday, so I went all out for this. Also, make sure you get your friends and your family to subscribe because once I hit 100 followers, I am going to do a giveaway. So subscribe, hit that notification bell if you like this video and you are excited to see Ipsy Plus, Ipsy, and my birthday unboxing. Yeah, there's a birthday unboxing. Make sure you are subscribed and you have that notification bell going. I will see you guys next week on my birthday. Well, I will actually see you tomorrow, but I will also see you again on Monday. So thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned.